Hello, people. So, Eid Mubarak to all my friends and family, YouTube family. I have this very sweet, diligent this gentleman who was kind enough to subscribe to my page. I call him Bhaijan, and he's from Hyderabad, Pakistan. And so, it's Eid Mubarak for everyone. In my growing up years, I studied in an all female environment till my graduation. So I had all my closest friends have always been Muslim. So just it feels so good. Just now before recording for the first time, I was like, oh my god, probably I should have dressed up more because it's a festival, right? But now with all this lockdown, it's a bit crazy. But really, people, happy Eid or Eid Mubarak because I don't know. See, I'm glowing because I'm just so happy that if you notice, all the Mughlai food is so tasty. Yeah, from biryani, like even veg biryani to there's a vegetarian version called vegetarian halim, and then there is khubani ka meetha. My God, I can drift off to another universe. So, so truly, people, Eid Mubarak, and I'll catch you all soon enough. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.